This is part 4 of Romeo and Juliet Act 2. We are on page 122, right about line 48. We're about to hear what the nurse says Juliet is going to do about her marriage to Romeo based on her conversation with Romeo.
Lord, how my head aches. What a head have I! It beats as it would fall in 20 pieces. My back at the other side. Ah, my back, my back! Beshrew your heart for sending me about to catch my death with jouncing up and down.
I'faith, I am sorry that thou art not well. Sweet, sweet, sweet nurse, tell me, what says my love?
Your love says, like an honest gentleman, and a courteous and a kind and a handsome, and, I warrant, a virtuous. Where is your mother?
Where is my mother? Why, she is within. Where should she be? How oddly thou repliest. Your love says, like an honest gentleman, where is your mother?
Oh, God's lady dear, are you so hot? Marry, come up, I trow. Is this the poultice for my aching bones? Henceforward, do your messages yourself.
Here's such a coil. Come, what says Romeo?
Have you got leave to go to shrift today?
I have.
Then hie you hence to Friar Lawrence's cell. There stays a husband to make you a wife. Now comes the wanton blood up in your cheeks. They'll be in scarlet straight at any news. Hie you to church. I must another way, to fetch a ladder by the which your love must climb a bird's nest soon when it is dark. I am the drudge and toil in your delight, but you shall bear the burthen soon at night. Go, I'll to dinner, hie you to the cell.
Hie to high fortune. Honest nurse, farewell.
They exit in separate directions.
So Juliet is very frustrated that the nurse won't tell her. The nurse is hedging and stalling, and then she tells her that if Juliet goes to church right away, Romeo will be waiting there to marry her, while the nurse goes to get the ladder with which Romeo is going to climb into Juliet's bedroom that night to consummate their marriage.
Scene 6. Later that afternoon. Friar Lawrence's cell. Romeo and Friar Lawrence are waiting for Juliet so that the wedding can take place.
So smile the heavens upon this holy act, that after hours with sorrow chide us not. Amen, amen. But come what sorrow can, it cannot countervail the exchange of joy that one short minute gives me in her sight. Do thou but close our hands with holy words, then love-devouring death do what he dare. It is enough I may but call her mine. These violent delights have violent ends, and in their triumph die like fire and powder, which, as they kiss, consume. The sweetest honey is loathsome in his own deliciousness, and in the taste confounds the appetite. Therefore love moderately. Long love doth so. Too swift arrives as tardy as too slow.
So the friar is saying, you're way too involved. You're moving too fast. If you want this love to last your whole lives, because remember, there's no such thing as divorce, and you cannot leave a marriage unless you die. So he says, if you want this love to last forever, you should go slower and get to know each other better before you get married. Romeo doesn't want to hear that. He says, it doesn't matter. It's worth it to me to marry her now.
Juliet enters.
Here comes the lady. Oh, so light of foot would ne'er wear out the everlasting flint. A lover may bestride the gossamers that idles in the wanton summer air, and yet not fall, so light is vanity.
Good even to my ghostly confessor.
Romeo shall thank thee, daughter, for us both.
As much to him, else is his thanks too much.
Ah, Juliet, if the measure of thy joy be heaped like mine, and that thy skill be more to blazon it, then sweeten with thy breath this neighbor air, and let rich music's tongue unfold the imagined happiness that both receive in either by this dear encounter.
Conceit, more rich in matter than in words, brags of his substance, not of ornament. They are but beggars that can count their worth. But my true love is grown to such excess, I cannot sum up some of half my wealth.
Come with me, and we will make short work. For by your leaves you shall not stay alone. till Holy Church incorporate two in one.
They exit to perform the wedding ceremony.
So Friar Lawrence says, I can't leave you alone until you're married because we all know that you guys are way too passionate for one another. That is the end of Act 2. Please make sure you complete your bookmark questions before you turn them in.